Alright guys, this is just a quick video with the HDP 50 from Umarex, and we're going to be showing off it's the buffer tube power plenum. This is the 2.7 drill out, the original one I showed. We didn't get to the one I drilled out to 5 inches. It's too much air, so from the thread tip, the very tip of the threads all the way up, maximum I would say is 2.7 inches. And yeah, that was at 11.9 millimeter hole, but I would say go under that, go less, because I'd stay maybe 11 millimeters max. So yeah, just because you don't want to, it's very easy to drill and then nip off the tip for there's a little groove where the O-ring goes into, and yeah, you don't want to cut that part off, so just be careful with your drilling in there, not to go too wide. I went as high as 1532s, which is 11.9 millimeters. I got lucky, so there's not much room for play after that. Other than that, the tip will come off, and then your O-ring will be stuck, and it won't be, like, it'll be on there, but it won't be in a groove, so when you unscrew the tank, it can easily come off, and then you'd have to readjust it. Just a nightmare. Stay away from that. But anyways, guys, we're using 1100 PSI. We got the steel bearings. You can probably see them down in there. Got our degasser. Just the air through buffer tube stock. Yeah, my O-ring in here was leaking. Because I think this adapter is really shallow. So there's not much room for wall there, but I just wrapped some Teflon tape around the O-ring, and it seemed to work, lock up, but I think the O-ring I have that I come with is a cheap one, so I got thicker ones I'm going to replace. So, but I just did a quick fix for it right now. It's just a main O-ring on the buffer tube. It's like your typical HPA O-ring, like one of these guys. It's just a cheap one. But anyways, yeah, let me just get this set up, guys. And as always, we're shooting down into that barrel trap with the Kevlar blanket that I need to replace because it's shredded. Get these lights on. Oh, by the way, guys, this is a brass barrel setup. I actually have a brass barrel on here. So this isn't the tuning run. This is made for the larger 12.7 millimeter, like 12.8 millimeter balls around there. Yeah, guys, it's just a really short setup. Don't need the barrel at all. The barrel comes to about somewhere about right here. It goes to, so it's about equivalent to one single tuning run section. But this is a wider diameter, inner diameter than a tuning run, slightly. Alright, just hope that tape holds up for this test. Okay, let's see what we get here. Alright, seem to be okay. So, steel bearings. .405. .403. 400. 201. Oh shit! Oh, the tape! Okay, I got a malfunction here. It's on my barrel. So it's pretty consistent numbers until that one. But yeah, let me degas this and I'll show you what's going on here, guys. What the fuck? Alright, hold on a second here. As you can see already. Alright, just want to make sure we're safe here. Alrighty, so look. Here's my barrel. Look at that. Like, that's the brass piece. So it's only held in there by tape. I should have put the copper inserts here. Let's take a look at this right now. Turn this laser off. Yeah, I'll bring the camera over and we'll see what the heck happens here. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it is. Dislodged from the tape. Because I only have tape wrapped around this brass barrel. It's just like rolled around, made into a nub, so it fits into the detent perfectly. It's nice and snug. Creates kind of a seal. But I guess the pressure somehow blew it out. I can't really see or do anything right now. That's just a slide-on piece, just for looks, to cover that ugly, skinny little barrel. But yeah. And then this slot down here, that's for a magazine tube or another build. Let me see down if we can get a look in there. Yeah, there's my tape. You can see the, not from this angle. Yeah, there it is. There's the rim of the fucking stupid camera. I got fucking one hand. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see the tape down in there. It has come out. So we got to fix that. But either way, we were shooting consistent right around 404 or something like that. Let me check the crony here. Damn it. I gotta go in. I'm gonna seal the copper. If you put a 12-inch copper, it goes right around this tube, slides over perfectly, and then I'm gonna cut it so it locks it in. I've done it on other builds. You guys have seen it in the past too, so. 400, 403, 405. So yeah. 405. I'm gonna get a quick reading of that. So 8.4 405. Wow, guys, that's 63 joules. 63 joules with that brass barrel. Not bad at all. It's a lot wider. It's a bigger diameter. We actually get a lot better with the tuning runs. I have another HDP with a tuning run installed. It's actually in the FAMAS carbine right now, but I'm going to pull that out and test it because I don't like testing with these offset barrels. Like the ones that we're all used to are like the market ones, like the tuning run. So, and plus I always get the best numbers with those. We're going to try it again with those, but yeah, guys, that's pretty good. 63 joules. That's about. I'd like to keep 50 cal steel balls. 63 joules is gonna steel bearing like that. It's gonna do some damage. So I would keep my 50 cal steel bearings no higher than 45 joules, and then my 68 cal round balls 60 joules. I'm comfy with that with a nice big magazine. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go in and repair this and. I'll check out the difference too with the tuning run barrel. I mean, it's about the same size. Like this is just a one-piece barrel, right? So, but it's actually bigger in diameter. And I use it for the steel balls, but I mean, there's still some play in there. Like there's still like when you put the ball in there, there's a little bit of light you can see past it. So you could probably go up to like 12.8, maybe 12.9 millimeter max. But that's the problem. I can't find bearings that size, so 12.7 bearings are cheaper. So like this is a decent barrel for it. It's a really good barrel, but I think with the tuning run we're gonna hit more. because they're more snug in the tuning run. They fit better. They're more matched, bore diameter matched. So, yeah, guys, you guys stay safe, take care, and have fun, man. With this setup here, as you can see, it was just an average of, yeah, 60. That's about 64 joules. So, an average, yeah, 62 joules average, roughly. Yeah, take care, guys.